we entered this competition, months and months and months ago, and it was for community gardens and what you've turned a garden from and into. And we just entered it with some photographs of before and after. But we didn't win nothing, but we got an award, so that was good enough. And that was the Royal Horticultural Show and the BBC. So we got some recognition, haven't we? I think it's good. Yeah. LiveWest, when we very first started, they gave us vouchers for flowers, seeds, plants, all sorts of things like that. And then with the LiveWest workmen coming round, I always ask them, have anything on your vans, anything wood, anything left over? And they drop off whatever they've got left over, like the worktop for the table, and anything else. Lorna from LiveWest, she gave us the paint to paint all the stones. I think because LiveWest owns all these houses, they see what we're doing to it and keeping it neat and keeping it tidy. So it's good. And when we have a barbecue, you'll see the people come out when we have a barbecue. And as I say, we sit there playing cards at night time in the summer. So I think it's a good impact on the community. And look how clean it is. People don't mess it. They don't dump their rubbish. So it's all good.
It's become a real passion of yours by the sounds of things.
It's my baby. This is it. We're doing bad for a bunch of pensioners.